In this video, we're going to look at Googl Classroom. I'll take you through the steps of how to create your own classroom and how to begin using it. Okay, let's make a start by creating our first class. Right, first thing I'm going to look at is the theme. So by default I've got this brown, green, polka dot thing going on that doesn't really suit what I want my classroom background to look like. So I've got two options. First of all, I can select one of the pre-designed themes by Google. Some pretty cool images in here. Or alternatively, I can upload a photo or an image that I already have. So I'll just go grab something off my desktop. And when that's done, I can crop it a little bit. Happy with that. And there we go. Now that I've created my Googl Classroom, if I pop across to my Google Drive, I'll have a new folder called Classroom, and inside that folder, another folder called 3PED, the same name of my Googl Classroom. This folder is where I'm going to create assignments and tasks that my class will do that I will be able to upload to Googl Classroom. Now that our Googl Classroom is set up, the next thing we want to do is invite the students into it. We've got two options. Option one, I could put this code on the board. I have students go to Googl Classroom, sign up as a student and enter the code. Or I can invite via email. Now, if you have all your students via a group, fantastic. Or if you've gone to the effort of putting them into your contacts via Gmail, then you can select them all and invite the students. By doing that, it invites the students to enter your Googl Classroom next time they log in. You've got three options in terms of student access to this classroom. It's a personal preference which you choose, but in my opinion, the top option, the default option there, students can post and comment, is the best option because it allows a greater level of collaboration within your classroom for you with the students as well as the students with the students. Let's look at the stream. The stream is a place where you can make announcements as well as set assignments. Now I've got options that I can add documents, links or YouTube videos to this. And I'm going to upload a YouTube video that gives the boys an oversight of what Googl Classroom is and how easy it is to use. And post. And you'll see that announcement set there. Students have the opportunity to add comments, as do I, to that post. Next thing I'm going to look at is creating an assignment. With an assignment you can set a due date. I'm going to leave that as the 6th of March. Now I'm going to attach the assignment from my Google Drive. Go to my classroom folder. Now I've got three options with this file. Option one, the students will only be able to view the file. They won't be able to make any adjustments or do any editing to that document. Option two, they can edit the file. This will be one document that they can edit, they can add to, they can collaborate on. But in the case of this assignment, I want the boys to give me individual answers. Therefore, I'm going to choose option three. By doing this, it makes a copy for each student in their Googl Classroom folder on their Google Drive. Then give them the opportunity to submit that assignment when they've completed it. Now I click Assign. So now that assignment is loaded, this will give you a live feed of who has completed and who has not completed the assignment. This gives an overview of the students who have completed the task and those who are yet to complete. From here I've got a couple of options. Number one, I can see where all of this work is stored inside my Google Drive. As you see, all of the students' assignments are organised and named there nicely for me. Those students who have submitted their work already, if you note down here, I've become the owner of their work. The students who are yet to submit, they still own their work and they're still completing it. When I'm ready to provide feedback, I can also see a student's work by selecting a student, and when I'm ready to return their work to them, select their name, click return, provide any feedback I might like. For an NCA assignment, it is important to note that as soon as I click return, that the student will be able to edit their assignment again. They become the owner of that assignment again. So for a final task submission, you probably won't want to return that assignment. And that will wrap up this video. I hope you found it useful and good luck getting your Google Classroom going.